I was just sent this handheld vacuum by the seller, so let's go ahead and open it up and see what it comes with, and then as well, let's try it out and see how well it works. Comes with a mesh bag, an attachment, a hose, some more attachments, a USB-C charger, instruction manual, and the vacuum itself. So this is a really perfect size, I feel like, for a handheld vacuum. It's not too heavy, so it would definitely be easy to vacuum in between crevices of couch or corners or wherever you need to. So it has lots of different attachments. It's got this hose, which is nice, so you can use this to reach spots that this wouldn't be able to reach normally. Or this one has a nice angle to it that would be great for getting dust on the ground like that. This one's really nice. It does have a brush at the end, and it's also tilted down. It's also really easy to use. You literally just hold the power button down for almost 2 seconds, and then it starts working. So let's go ahead and try it out and see how well it works.